Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your OS updates and drivers are current because outdated drivers often cause crashes. Once done, close overlays and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to remove conflicts. Next, uninstall Riot Vanguard fully and reboot. This clears kernel driver issues that block launches. Then reinstall Vanguard from an admin command, prompt, or the Valorant installer. Doing it as admin ensures proper driver signing. These first steps remove the most common startup blockers quickly and reliably. Now you dig deeper. Repair game files through the Riot client so corrupted assets get replaced. This fixes many runtime errors. If the problem persists, open Event Viewer and Valorant logs to identify exact error codes, because knowing the code guides the fix. Make sure to reset the network stack with ipconfig flush and netch winsock reset, then reboot. Network corruption can prevent authentication and match joins. Also run the game as admin and set Valorant to high priority when testing for performance-related faults. Finish by performing a clean reinstall if nothing else worked. Uninstall Valorant and Vanguard, delete residual program files and app data folders, then reinstall as admin so no old config remains. Make sure Windows and GPU drivers are current. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables to fix runtime dependencies. If you still hit errors, collect logs and dxdiag. Then contact Riot support, provide exact error messages and the steps you took so they can pinpoint the fault. One tip: try a fresh Windows user account to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.